How do I add books to my shelf? On Shelfari's homepage, search for books in the search bar by title, author, or ISBN. If you have a scanner, you can scan the ISBN number. Let's search for this book. The Socially Networked Classroom. And there it is. We can choose to add this book to our bookshelf by clicking Add. Another option here is the drop-down arrow. We can choose to add this book to our shelf of books that we plan to read, books that we're reading now, books that we've read already. This heart symbolizes our shelf of favorite books. This gift indicates books that we'd like to have or own, so it's a wish list, I guess. And then finally, this last icon is the shelf that indicates books that we already own. I just want to click Add here to add it to my shelf. Have I read this book? I've read it. I can also write a bit of a review about the book. I can connect on Facebook or Twitter with friends who are also on Shelfari. If this was a novel, I could add some information about the story of the book. I can also add edition details about the book. And I can add some tags. Social networking, that might be a good tag. I could also add technology education. When I'm finished here, I can click Done. When I click Done, it takes me back to my home page. If I click on my shelf and go to all my books, I've added it to my bookshelf. To add a bookshelf from Shelfari to my website or blog, I need to create a widget. A widget is a standalone application that can be embedded into a third-party site by a user on a page where they have rights of authorship, such as a web page or a blog. So in order to move a shelf from Shelfari, or a widget, to my blog, first on the Shelfari page I have to click on Home, scroll down, find where it says Your Content, and here at the bottom it says Widgets. We're going to click on Widgets. On the page it says Create a Widget, choose your widget's home, so you have some options regarding where you want to send your widget. I want to put our widget into our blog, so I'm going to click on Blog. Now I get to choose which books I'd like to have in my widget. I'm going to choose my shelf that has all of my books. And then I'll click Continue. Now I get to choose my shelf style. There's different colors, my shelf width, the number of rows I'd like, the order I would like the books to appear on the shelf. I'm happy with all of this, so I'm going to click Continue. And here is my widget code. So I'm going to click on the widget code to highlight it and copy it. Now that I've copied my widget code, I'm going to go to my Blogger dashboard right here and come down here where it says Layout. Click on Layout. Here where it says Add a Gadget, this is where I'd like my Shelfari shelf to be, so I'm going to click on Add a Gadget. And this next window pops up, it says Basics. I'm going to scroll down until I find HTML JavaScript and click the Addition button here. Now I can give my widget a title. Let's call it Shelfari. And here in the content box, I'm going to paste my widget code and click Save. Now, let's preview our blog and see that our shelf of books has appeared. And there it is. We've added our Shelfari book widget to our blog.